Hello everyone, I'm Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students got placed now, so she'll share her experience.
Hello all, my name is PARAMSHWARI. I have completed BE Computer Science in the year of 2023. I have joined this course during the August month. I have I have completed a course on Python, SQL, web development, and ongoing course on Django and data analysis. I have got training. There was a 4 round, and first round was on Python MCQ questions, and the second round was technical. In the technical, they asked about the project which we done during the college time, and the Python questions like advanced concept which were taught in the course only. So other than that, there were no questions. And the third round was manager. In that also they asked about the Python questions, and the fourth round was HR questions, the basic HR questions. This is all about the interview process. And in this PySpiders helped me a lot to improve myself, to see better version of me, because I have placed in 2023, but I was lagging in some of the technical and soft skills also. Now in this course, I have attended boot camps and grooming sessions and even a mock interviews, which helped me to know where I am lagging and enhance my skills. And boot camps helped me a lot by presenting the subject in front of group mates, so that we'll improve communication wise and how to present in front of others. And the last time grooming session was very helpful, because last time we don't have time to revise every concept which we learned. So if you attend the grooming session, it helps us to revise each and every concept which are taught in the course. And thank you for this, all the trainers who were supportive, and they cleared our doubts, whatever doubts we have. And this institute also, I have got referred from my friend, which really I think the best decision I have made in my life is joining up PySpiders. Thank you all, and keep supporting. Thank you.
See, this is how you have to just train yourself, and if you work hard, you will get placed. And congratulations. Congrats and all the best.
Thank you.